up, man? You demoing?
Huh?
You demoing?
Come on in, man.
You got looking good in here, man.
Hey, man, they hanging out with none of them boys up there. They're starting to overheat a little bit, but I get a little something.
Hey, give me a little something, you know. Hey, that's how I feel too. I ain't hanging some of them, but I'm alright, I guess. What you running back there?
2 ZV4 custom Nick Watt drop-ins and salt 8 on each one, kind of overkill. But,
Yeah, I believe in that too. It's better to have more than you need.
That's right. That's
you
right.
can always turn it down.
That's right. I plan on going bigger,
Yeah.
especially after the day.
Oh yeah, this will do it. This will do it. Yeah. That's more like a heating up from a lot of power, ain't it?
Yeah,
that's more like what that is. Yeah. I know you ain't clipping no way.
no clipping, but you can smell them coils.
Yeah, that's what mine was doing. You got 2 ZV4 15?
Yeah, no, 18.
18, yeah. 18. Yeah, man. You on social media anywhere they can find you?
I'm on Facebook mostly. Josh Kingsmore.
Okay, yeah, y'all be sure. I'm gonna try to tag me in video. Y'all be sure to follow.
I appreciate it,
bro.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.